One of the things that I absolutely adore is when I can find a traffic source that people are pretty much ignoring, uh, and find out that, yeah, it actually does really work really, really well. It's actually very, very cool. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Breakthrough FPT. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead and forget about my silly jokes because, yeah, they're pretty silly. I know. I really got to get some new lines together. You know, it's been crazy busy. I've been back and forth to Pittsburgh several times. I'm going back in a few weeks again. Yeah, it's been it's been insane, but I'll explain all about it once everything is settled. I got some big stuff to be sharing with everybody here on the channel, all about why I've been going to Pittsburgh constantly. Um, very, very exciting stuff I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Hopefully in a few weeks' time, once everything is settled down. I know for sure everything is basically done and finished. But anyway, sorry. In the meantime, uh, I kind of got off track over there a little bit, you know. But in the meantime, anyway, uh, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Seriously, Bart. Okay, it's enough. You know, once this whole thing in Pittsburgh happens, we really got to ditch Bart, okay? Who's with me? Are we going to ditch him? Are we going to get rid of him finally? Ban him? You know, somebody else can haggle me for a while, right? Anyway, heckle me, not haggle, heckle me. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way what I do here is two things. Well, I said that already, didn't I? The way things work here, if I like product, I'll give a tip my hands to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I do love Liz. She's such a sweetheart. Who can get angry at her? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now, this is the sales page for Breakthrough FPT. Now, this is something really, really cool because I had always believed that Facebook pages were pretty much dead. They used to be popular like 5-10 years ago. And, you know, every now and then somebody takes a look at an old way of doing things that says, well, why wouldn't this work today? And they make it work. And my buddy James actually, I have a special affinity for James. He actually went through the Millionaire Roundtable with me. That's really how I got my start with Bill Hugel and Simple Spencer. Unfortunately, the Millionaire Roundtable is no longer available. But it really got my start, and James went through the program with me. He's also a member of Partnership to Success, which I'm also a member of, which really helped me out a lot. And that's really gotten me going with building up my business. And James got the same training. So I know if James went through the same training that I did, I know he's putting together something good. Of course, I did want to take a look at it. And I also have a ridiculous bonus to offer you. So my thing is like this. If you really want to get people to get excited about your page, and this particular page that he created is all about cats. James is a cat lover. I personally have 3 cats. My fiance actually is the cat lover in the family. I love our cats, don't get me wrong, but I also really like dogs. I had a dog when we met, and she passed away, and we compromised after that. Now we have 3 cats. So go figure. But anyway, seriously, but James is a cat lover. So he talks about cats, and actually his prizes for this for this particular product are all about cats. Kind of a weird thing to be offering, but anyhow. So basically, my bonus on this particular product is going to be really, really cool. What I'm going to give you is 150 different courses with full PLR. You're going to have the right to give them away, sell them, do whatever you want with them, and you can use them to create your own pages. And the nice thing, by the way, they're not all strictly make money online. A lot of them are, so if that's what you want, there's a ton of them on make money online, but there's a bunch of them on other subjects, which means you can create all kinds of different Facebook pages, drive engagement using the methods that James is going to teach you. And basically, in order to get people onto your list when they visit your page, you can give them a free gift in the form of one of these courses that I'm giving you. Get 150 courses. Okay, pick up any upgrade to this, and I'm going to give you another, I think it's 90 beyond that. So you get 150 with the front end, pick up any upgrade, you get 90 more. Okay, and it's $13, by the way. It's not like it's a lot of money. 150 courses, 90 on the back end if you pick up any upgrade. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. You can see here, he did a lot of work on this. I'm not really, oh, and there you go. I didn't even know about this. Use BFBPT5 off. That's kind of a mouthful. To get another $5 off, so that'll save you even more money. Okay, there's going to be a coupon code you can paste that into. I didn't even know about that. I'm looking at the sales page right now for the first time. I looked at the members area a lot more than I look at the sales page when I do these kinds of reviews. Anyhow, but let's check out the members area here. To be perfectly honest, I found the members area a little bit cluttered looking. I prefer a very neat looking members area. I think you can safely ignore the start here. Basically, it's going to be he's asking you to join his Facebook group. He'll have some FAQs, and he's going to have a little introduction. Really and truly, what you want to do is go to here to training and just select Breakthrough FPT and main. Okay. And basically, what you want to do is go here and just start watching the videos. It's not a long time. He's even explaining to you exactly what's in each video. Okay. He's going to give you all the details, how you drive free traffic, how you monetize, how you can also do paid traffic using Facebook. All right, and this is very, very cool stuff. All right, it's not going to take you a whole lot of time. You can see the videos are relatively short, and he's got it very well organized here so that you really can just get through the whole thing in a couple of hours and really start building up things on Facebook pages. And this is a training that I really haven't seen anybody else talk about. So that's really, really cool. I'm still not clear what the difference is from the main to the chapter section. I think it's the same thing because it looks like the same videos. Maybe it's something different, so you're welcome to take a look. I only looked through the main. I'm not really sure. This could be a different thing. It could be that he has two different sections maybe. And if he does, then feel free to look through both. I primarily, when I was looking through this, I watched a lot of the videos here in the main section. Okay, and there's of course some resources here. There's some bonuses that he's going to offer you for free, and of course you're going to get my bonus, which is 150 courses with full PLR. Pick up any upgrade to get another 90 beyond that from me. And yeah, let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, look, like I said, I'm always excited when there's something where I can revitalize an old method of traffic that I thought people had given up on. And because people have given up on it, a lot of people aren't doing it anymore. And that means this is an opportunity for you to be able to start making more money and driving more traffic. So go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love it.